some students have difficulty remember the parity bit checking scheme. Actually, it's very easy to understand. And here you have, the official definition from Wikipedia. So in fact, there are two schemes: even parity bit and odd parity bit. You can read through what each of the definition is, and very easy to remember. And now, so but it's not hard to remember which one is which. So now I'm going to show you a way to remember this. So there are two ways to check. Don't get confused, because it's easy to get confused. So now, once again, there are even parity bit and odd parity bit. There are two ways, okay, and two variants, as it says here. You can read this again on Wikipedia, but now I just show you a way to remember this. So, since there are two, as a rule of thumb, to remember something, you simply just do remember if they're even and odd, and you just remember one, okay? Just remember one of them. Other will be easily common. So now I would choose to remember even parity. So now, just remember how even parity is done, okay? And error checking. So now, how to remember? Making the total string contain even number of ones. So how easy is that? Okay. All right. So now, if you do this, we have examples here. The first one. So it has 7 bits, right? And so it contains odd number. So the check bit will make it even number. So I put a 1. So now it's even number. Now the second one over here, it has odd number, even number. So the check bit is 0. Okay, and this one is want to be even number. So make it sure that even number. So that's how you want to remember. Even number. The total string just include a bit, so even number. So now here's the exercise. Which one of the following have errors? Okay, all you have to do is just see if let's see we receive from online and these strings, or we don't know whether it's, but we were told that, well, every string is an even number, has even number of ones. That's called even parity. So then let's count this one. So it has 4. So perfect, good. Okay, no error. And this one has odd. Okay, so wrong. So this one has error. And this one has even. So this is right. How is that? No. So they still have even numbers. So that's even parity. Okay, so just remember. So this is for error checking. You receive something from online. The sender tell you that every string has even number of ones. But in the transmission, there may be something wrong. If one is flipped, then it doesn't follow that rule. Then you immediately, for example, this one, that one has even number. So, and that one has that's wrong too. So that's wrong too. Okay, so that has odd number now. So that's wrong. This two has error because this two has odd, this two has error, but this one's still even. So we receive these. So these are the received. Okay, we don't know. Okay, actually we don't have to know which one is wrong, but we know there is something wrong because so this one including this bit. Remember, counting the total. So how easy is that? But now, and interestingly or ironically, there's some people remember this way. Okay, another way to look at this is even parity, and the testing bits set to 1 indicate there are odd number of ones in the data. Okay, there are odd number of ones there, which means if this test bit is 1, that has odd number of data. If this is 0, that means it has even number of ones. Alright, that's right. That's the same way, but ironically, we call it even parity encoding, which confuses many people, including myself. Now I get it straight. So how do you remember how even parity? Just to see if the total string it has even number of ones, and everything is still even, so there's no error. If it's not even, there will be error, right? So that's how you remember even parity. Now there is another way, odd parity. Now I think this is, after all, like I said, this is an easy topic. How do you remember it? Odd parity means error checking, and now I let you to elaborate it. Your turn to elaborate. You just make the whole paragraph. And you remember we have a test question, and then let's say strings are encoded with odd parity. So then don't confuse the two. Okay, so you write the paragraph with odd. So that's it. All right, hope this helps.